It's the Burj Khalifa. Have you ever really sat down and thought about how humans actually build something that tall?
Heat and wind for miles. Now look up, right where that sand was.
How do you keep it from falling over in the wind? How do you get water to the 160th floor? How do you keep it from falling over in the wind? How do you get water to the 160th floor?
Today, an elderly African-American woman is going to walk you through every single step of this incredible journey.
From the first scoop of dirt to the final light bulb. It is a story of doing what everyone said was impossible.
It has come the barriers I product now is getting set.
Before we even saw a single piece of steel, we had to look at the ground.
You see, you can't just put a massive building on sand. Sand moves, it shifts. To start, we had to treat the desert like a blank canvas. This is where the real work begins.
It's the most important part. If you get the bottom wrong, the top won't matter.
Okay, bring the machines in. Let's start the power grading on the far section first.
Okay, center it right there.
Got it. Looks level. Where's the first stake?
These guys are the real heroes of the early days. They used laser-guided tools to make sure the building was perfectly aligned.
All right, signal the main crane. We're clear to hoist the next module up to level 150.
Now that we're down here, we can finally start going up.
Agreed. Let's review the blueprints for the vertical structure.
Keep the vibrator moving. Okay, moving it now.
Watch the rebar placement over there.
They started digging a massive foundation pit. This wasn't just a small hole, it was a deep one.
Ah, man, look at this.
It's coming up too fast.
Even in the desert, there's water underground. So they installed dewatering wells to keep the site dry and stable.
That doesn't move. This is the only thing strong enough to hold up a building this heavy. And
To make it even stronger, they didn't just sit the building on the rock, they anchored it. They brought in huge piling rigs. These machines drilled holes 50 meters deep into the earth. Imagine a 15-story building. That's
How deep these holes went. Inside these holes, workers hand-tied massive steel cages.
These are like the bones of the foundation. They lowered these cages into
the holes and poured in high-strength concrete. This created the roots of the tower.
These are like the bones of the foundation. They lowered these cages into
To support the tall center spine, they built what are called buttress wings.
Think of these like the kickstands on a bike, but much bigger.
Building a wide base so it doesn't tip over. Each wing has its own steel skeleton and its own massive concrete pour.
Now think about how you get materials up that high height. They built a concrete highway.